Assalamu alaikum students, I'm Zahra Hashmi, your English teacher here. How are you all? I hope you all are having a great time. Today's lesson is all about vowels. So do you remember vowels? Let's have a look at them together. A, E, I, O, U. Do you remember the sounds they make? Let's begin with A. Ah, cat, ka, a, cat. Some more words. Bat, b, a, bat. Mad. A, mat. Hat. Ha, a, hat. Map. A, map. E makes a sound of a. Let's look at some words. H, a, hen. P, a, pen. P, a, b, paddy. B, a, bed. A, net. I makes the sound of E. P, E, pin. E, tin. The cat is in the basket. E, in. Fish. F, E, sh, fish. L, E, lip. O makes the sound of O. O, pot. D, O, g, dog. O, on. O, mop. O, top. U makes the sound of a, cup. J, a, g, jug. B, a, s, bus. S, a, sun. A, cut. Now let's play a game. Let's look at the picture first. It's a picture of a log. Now reads the sentence. He sat on the brown. The last word has one letter missing. It's a missing vowel. And the clue is in the picture. Log. Let's sound out log. L, O, G. Log. So the missing vowel is O. Isn't it fun? Let's move on to the next sentence. A green man. I like my green. A, man. The missing vowel is A. Did you get it right? A red pen. My dad has a red a, pen. E is the missing vowel. I hope you got it right this time. Now there's a little homework for you. A small one. Complete the words by adding A, E, I, O, or U. I have a pink. Look at the picture. It's a picture of a fan. Sound out the word fan. And you'll be able to write the missing vowel. In total, these are 5 sentences. I want you to write these sentences on your notebook. Look at the picture carefully, the picture in front of every sentence. For first sentence, it is a fan. Second sentence, cup. Third sentence, king. Fourth sentence, jet. And fifth sentence, box. Sound out these words and you'll be able to write the missing vowel. I hope you'll be able to do it very easily because we've done so much practice and it will be a breeze for you, very easy. But if you have any questions, any queries, you can always write to me and I'll get back to you definitely. Have a great day.